Hello guys, good morning. Good weather as you can see. And today I'm gonna show you what happened to my wing mirror, my side mirror. This one is a passenger side. As you can see, look, it's dead. Turned into black. A replacement one. It only cost me like 8 quid, 8 pounds. Yeah, if you got something to like a small bar or whatever to pry it out. And then there's a two wires that go down. Alright, this is the replacement side mirror, wing mirror, specifically for Vectra, for Vauxhall Vectra. Yeah, reverse procedure, easy. And then plug the two wires, and then alright guys, I'm always use contact cleaner. Everything that you're doing is something to do with wires, with electrics. Alright, don't forget this metal piece on the old mirror, and you need to take this off to the old one and then put it to this one, new one. Alright, that's it. All done. Like that, you need to insert it at the side. That, and then pry it up. Yeah.